All right, so that's classic 2020. I got this new gimbal, so it took a second to get it set up and all that good stuff, but we're at the gas station, the quick trip that I always go to before I head out of town. We're gonna meet up with some guys we're gonna meet up with Derek with the gray Impala and Willie from Alabama. Ride down to Tifton, Georgia and meet up with Burrs, Cook, and a bunch of other dudes from Alabama. And then we're gonna hightail it down to Orlando. So we're gonna make this one quick so that I can get on this road. We're supposed to meet up at 12, but it's 12:40. So probably won't meet up with those guys till about 2:33 a.m. So got everything loaded up, cars loaded up. We are ready to go. So classic 2023, y'all. Something about them gas station lights. So we met up with Pat and them. He bringing the short bed, and then we got the wheel king of South Georgia over here. I ain't never gonna let that shit go. So you know what time it is. Derek, you know, late as usual, so we're gonna keep it pushing. He had to catch up with us down the road because he probably about an hour out from where we are. So everything doing good though. We ready to go. Orlando. Yeah.
The show, drag race, what is it?
All right, we have made it. We are in Orlando, Florida. We done lost the other two people. It's just me and Cook out here.
Real drivers over here.
Real drivers, real big.
Drivers.
See the, you see the, you see, you see,
GPS students.
you see the headset. You know, we out here. So
we out here.
We're getting ready to offload the car, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna load the car up with all our stuff. We're gonna take the cars to the house, and then we're gonna take the truck and trailer to the trailer parking. So about to offload it and get this weekend started, guys.
You slow. Nah, I still don't see you. So when turn right there. Unless you go out to the Walmart sign. Yeah, that's what we turned in at right there. Yeah. Yeah, Cook Truck's parking lot. Come on down to Cook Truck's parking lot. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Here they come.
Yeah, they slow asses. Look at these slow bombs right here. Slow. Y'all beat this? You did. Put on over there. And they say that's all that matters.
Where
Willie. That's what he said. They beat DJ here. DJ and Willie. DJ and Willie.
so it's the morning of. I didn't do much filming last night because we really didn't do anything. By the time we got to Magic Mall, it was closed down, so we did a little riding around, and then we basically just chilled at the house, went out to eat and stuff like that. So this morning we're going to get the cars washed, and then we'll probably come back, eat something, and then hit the streets. So got Derek out here, Cook back there. You know where it's at? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll follow you. All right, let's ride. Man, finally get a chance to pick up the camera, man. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Orlando Classic, but yeah, there's no time to do anything. So we did the Florida picnic. It wasn't a big turnout there, so we kind of just chilled for a little while, ate real good, and then we hit the strip. But it's this year, man, they are not playing. The cops are shutting down everything. They got all the gas stations are blocked off, everything like that. So I don't know what street we're on. We're on a side street somewhere, but we found a little spot to post up at. So we got myself, we got Sal, we got DJ, and we got Cook over there. So we posted up. We got this whole little lot to ourselves, and we just gonna chill and film whatever we can film. Huh? I appreciate it. So we out here. Okay. Hey, the dunk that I got at the shop, we about to pull the big.